Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to solve this awesome equation. So we have 3 power x plus 9 power x equal to 27 power x. Okay, so before starting, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. So I have my equation. If I want to find the solution x of this equation, I will just proceed as follow. So let me just rewrite my equation as 3 power x plus 9, which is 3 square. So 3 square power x, okay, which is 27 is 3 to the power 3, okay. So I will just have here 3 to the power 3 x, okay. I can still rewrite this equation as 3 power x plus 3 power 2x equal to 3 power 3x, okay. It just follows that I can still have this 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x square, okay. This is just the property of the powers, okay, equal to 3 to the power x 3, okay. So I have this now. So if here I take my t be equal to 3 to the power x, okay. So what will just become my equation? My equation will just become here t plus t square, okay, equal to t to the power 3. Okay, now my goal is to solve this last equation and then find the solution t, and from the solution t I can easily get from this one my solution x, which is here, okay. So that's what we are going to do here. So let's solve this last equation. So I can still rewrite my equation as t to the power 3 minus t square minus t equal to 0. Okay. Now you can see that I have t everywhere. So the first thing to do is to pull t outside. So to get this one, to get t times t square minus t minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now I have this. If this product is equal to 0, this means that either t is equal to 0 or t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this means that I have t equal to 0 or t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's just take this one. If this is equal to 0, it just means that if this t is equal to 0, it implies that my t was equal to 3 to the power x. Okay, it means that 3 to the power x is equal to 0. And we can directly see here that this 3 to the power x can never be equal to 0. So this equation has no solution. Okay. So this one is implies that this one has no solutions. So you cannot find x here such that 3 to the power x is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll just focus now on this equation here, and we hope to find the solution from this last equation. Okay, so let's just start solving this. I have t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. Let me just use the discriminant delta to find the solution of this. Have delta equal to b square. B is minus 1 square minus 4, a which is 1, and c which is minus 1. Okay, so I have here, this will just be 1 plus 4, so this is equal to 5. So this means that the square root of delta is equal to the square root of 5. Okay, so as this one is greater than 0, this means that this equation has two solutions. This one has two solutions. Okay, two solutions. Okay, so the first solution is given by t1, which is minus b. Okay, we have b minus 1, so minus b is just 1, plus the square root of delta divided by 2a. Okay, a which is 1, and the second one is t2, which is 1 minus the square root of 5, the square root of 5 divided by 2a. Okay, so I have these two solution. I can see that the square root, I can note here that the square root of 5 is greater than 1. Okay, so this implies that t2, this t2 is negative. Okay, so the solution is negative. This is just because, okay, let's just keep this for now. Let's just keep this one. I have my t1 and my t2. Okay, now if I replace the value, I know that my t was equal to 3 to the power x. Okay, so my t1 and my t2, I can just rewrite them as t1 equal to 3 to the power x1, which is the first solution, and t2, which is 3 to the power x2, which is the second solution. Now if I replace my t1 and my t2, I will just have that 3. Okay, let me change my pen. I will just have 3 to the power x1 is equal to t1, which is 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so I have 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. And the second one is 3 to the power x2, which is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so sorry, which is 1 minus the square root of 5. 1 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so this one is in fact negative, as we have shown here. T2 is negative. Okay, sorry, here T2 is negative according to this. So this means that I cannot find x such that 3 to the power x is negative. So this one has no solution also. So because this is always greater than 0, and we cannot see that, cannot find a solution x satisfying this equation here. Okay, so this one also has no solution. So we are just going to focus on this one, and our solution will just come from here. Okay, let's solve this one. I have now 3 to the power x1 is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. This means that this is positive and this is also positive, so I can just apply my log function on both sides of this equation, knowing that my log function will be well defined. So I just have ln, I call my log function here ln, so ln of 3 to the power x1 is equal to ln of 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so this implies here that I have x1 ln of 3 equal to the ln of all this, ln of, okay, let me use again the property of ln here, ln of 1 plus the square root of 5 minus ln of 2. Okay, so this implies that my solution x, let me call just x because it is the only solution we have now, is equal to ln of 1 plus the square root of 5 minus ln of 2 divided by ln of 3. Okay, so this is the only solution to our equation, which is 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x equal to 27 power x. Okay, as an exercise for you, you can just put this x inside here and check that this equation is satisfied. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.